Where are we meeting men?
Where do single men between the ages of 28 and 40 go on Saturdays? And I don't mean like a specific restaurant or a specific location. I mean, generally speaking. Are they at the gym? Are they at a bar watching football? Are they on a hike? Are they at home doing additional work? Are they at the driving range? Are they getting brunch with their friends? What does a 28 to 40-year-old single man's typical Saturday look like?
Now, I can tell you where the single men are, but I can't tell you how to flirt with them. I'm very shy, so I'm not good in that department. But if you're new to Dallas, or you're not new to Dallas, and you're just looking somewhere to find cute boys...
You will not believe this. These women are getting desperate. Now they're wondering, where did all the single men go? But they were the one that told men not to approach them. They're going around Home Depot, searching and searching for a man, potentially a husband. Is this what hitting the wall feels like? Subscribe.
As a matchmaker, I'm always looking for opportunities for my single clients to meet other singles in a natural environment. Today, I'm looking out for my single ladies who like the contractor type.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the good-looking guys hang out?
I hang out here in Home Depot. Primarily, they're in lumber. Where do we meet men in Home Depot? In the lumber aisle.
Here I am in the lumber aisle. Don't see much happening right now, so I decided to take a walk around. Ooh, there's a guy. He'd be good for someone. And sometimes you gotta be a little inconspicuous about these things, you know, especially when you're hunting for men. Oh, there's a cute one, ladies. So I made my way back over, and again, not much happening. There wasn't really anyone here that I would set my clients up with.
When's the best time to come check out that
Mornings, Monday to Friday.
There you go. If you luck out, try again. Monday to Friday, lumber aisle, Home Depot.
Single men, single males, single dads. I have a question for you all. Where are you all at?
You want to know where they at? Fine. I'll tell you, they're too busy enjoying life, a stress-free life that is.
Where do single men between the ages of 28 and 40 go on Saturdays? And I don't mean like a specific restaurant or a specific location. I mean, generally speaking. Are they at the gym? Are they at a bar watching football? Are they on a hike? Are they at home doing additional work? Are they at the driving range? Are they getting brunch with their friends? What does a 28 to 40-year-old single man's typical Saturday look like? Because I can tell you what a Saturday for a 28 to 40-year-old single woman looks like. As part of my fall of outdoors, I'm trying to integrate experiences where I get to meet the male species. Every time that I've tried to do that, the places that I end up tend to be proliferated with 24-year-old men screaming at a television about football. For example, my Saturday looks like this. I wake up, I take my dog on a walk, I try to get in a gym class of some sort, Pilates, some kind of stretching class, I take a shower, make a cup of coffee, make my breakfast, and then I try and do about 2 hours of either work or personal, errands. And then from about 12 p.m. until approximately 5 p.m. I try and do something social with my friends. We'll go to a bar to watch a football game, go to the beach for the afternoon, whatnot. And then I typically stay in on Saturday night, order in DoorDash, watch a movie, have a glass of wine, and go to bed. That's the male equivalent of that, so I know where to find you guys during the period of 12 to 5.
If those men are around 30 to 40 years old, some of them are most likely gonna have a family. Or maybe they are at that age and just don't want to date or be with anybody. But most of them are at home, relaxing. So guys, lock your doors and windows. I feel like the most important question you should be asking is, what were you doing from 18 to 27 that you couldn't find a guy exactly? Had Thanksgiving by myself, and this morning I'm cooking bacon. Meanwhile, my ex is on her third failed relationship in 4 months. Home, gym, video games, binge TV shows. We are just done simple as that. A lot of them working, doing yard work, catching up on errands, helping friends out with things, or just taking a lazy day.
So where are those single 30 to 40-year-old men at?
A lot of them are just doing their own thing. They go to work, they go home, they enjoy their hobbies. Some might be online dating. But for the most part, many of them have given up on dating, unfortunately. The risks just outweigh the benefits at this point. They don't feel appreciated for their efforts. They feel like everything they do is bare minimum. They're tired of all the unreasonable expectations.
Not only are those expectations unreasonable, they're also unrealistic. And single men now just find it easier to be alone, I heard it's a lot peaceful.
Sorry. They say at Home Depot you find husband. Maybe. I just wait right here. I'm from New York. New York. Oh, I found husband. Woo!
I guess the way to get a husband today is to go to Home Depot. Stand in the middle of an aisle and shake your hips. Good luck with that.
So Home Depot really wasn't bad at all. There were a lot more men there than at the coffee house. Thank you for that tip, by the way. I did not meet anybody, but I did have a conversation, so that's an improvement. The icebreaker for that conversation, for data's sake, when you're super short, ask for something on the top shelf. That helped me get a conversation going. Nothing serious, but I did not leave empty-handed. I scored this wicked cool bag of doll heads.
I guess that is a man's weakness, helping an helpless woman. But be careful out here, fellas. Looking for a man and a husband is two different things. Some of these women just go to Home Depot and wish someone would hit on them out of desperation.
Okay, so serious question. If we're not going on dating apps for dates, where are we meeting men? And where are we meeting men in which we'd actually want to go on a date with? Where are all of the good guys? Can someone enlighten me? Because whatever I'm doing isn't working.
The good guys are already taken. While you were partying, going on trips, being a sausage warrior, they were out here wifing up the women who wanted to get married. If you wasn't too busy partying, you would have seen the good guys. But then again, good guys never win. Nobody wants the good guy until he's the only option left. Don't be an option, fellas.
I want to know why the fuck I'm still single. Like, I'm not an ugly bitch at all. Maybe I'm not crazy. Well, maybe I am.
Shut up, bitch!
Being crazy is not a flex. It's actually a turn-off for a man that values himself, that is. And if she truly wants someone, she can just approach them herself. But that's probably not gonna happen. Rejection hits really different for them.
Ladies, if you want to meet successful single men, you should be going to high-end restaurant or hotel bars. Put on a cute outfit, bring a girlfriend or two, plant yourself at the bar, make small talk with the bartender. Why? Because a lot of men who are on business trips or after hours at work or just with buddies will hang out at these places, and it's a lot easier to approach you if you're at the bar versus if you're at a secluded table. So try it out.
Most of these men who are at high-end restaurants are most likely gonna be married. This is bad advice.
Now, I can tell you where the single men are, but I can't tell you how to flirt with them. I'm very shy, so I'm not good in that department. But if you're new to Dallas, or you're not new to Dallas, and you're just looking somewhere to find cute boys, let me tell you where they're at. Stan's Blue Note on a Friday night. I don't know why you have to go on a Friday night, but it's on a Friday night. They're just not there on Saturdays. Stan's Blue Note, it's kind of this dive bar, but it's so much fun. The guys are so social and cute and nice and normal. And it's just a really social vibe. Like, you go to other bars and it might be kind of hard to meet people, but at Stan's, the vibe is everyone's very social. Like, my best friend's parents met at Stan's, and she is here because of that bar. So, it can work. But it's really fun. I'm taking my friends there tomorrow night. They're coming in town, and I'm just excited to show them because the place is kind of a hoot. But if you want to find cute single men, Stan's Blue Note is the place to go. You can thank me later, and maybe you'll meet your potential husband. But if you do, let me know, because it hasn't worked out for me yet.
It's honestly sad, to be honest. Having all these women running around trying to get a husband, that's something they could have been focusing on when they were younger. I wonder what happened. The wall getting closer. Chads don't want them. And nice guys are their only options.